Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel, Home Cooking with Somjit. Today, it is still early morning. I just woke up and I'm going to prepare breakfast for myself. Before I go to work, I'm going to do French toast. I have 2 slices of bread and 2 eggs. This is quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, and 3 tablespoons of milk. You can use any milk. What I'm going to do is I'm going to toast my bread. I have the toaster here. Drop it in. I don't want to set the temperature very high because I just want to firm up the bread only. I'm going to prepare my egg now. I have a shallow plate, so easier for me to dip my egg, my bread in there. Putting in the pepper, salt, putting in 1 drop of vanilla extract, and also mayonnaise. Beat them together with it. My bread is done. So fast. I'm putting in the milk now. I don't want to put them all in one. Put it bit by bit, so I don't want the egg to be very light. I mean, too diluted. So look at that. The bread is just firm up. It doesn't have any brown. So I'm going to soak the bread in the egg. So I'm just put 2 tablespoons of milk. I didn't put them all. So basically this portion can use about 4 or 5 slices of bread. So I'm just having 2 for today. Let's go and fry it. Butter. So the pan is hot. Before I put in the bread, I'm going to soak the bread in the egg again, since I have a lot. Okay, there, I put it in here. Just leave it there first until it's cooked. So I can turn it. The smell is so delicious. Alright, it's done. And switch off the heat. Lift it up. Okay. Look at that. French toast. Nice. Yummy.